Hey guys, Daddy Brickhead here, and let's give you an update of this flood of 2019.
The Brickhead family.
Hey guys, welcome back. I figured I would give you guys another update here. Not too much changed from yesterday. I did stay alone in the house last night. Like I said, the family headed for higher ground, the family and the puppy. We got them evacuated yesterday, and they stayed with Grandma and Grandpa. And there goes the family, dog in tow, heading to drier land. But as you see here, water is right up to our first step here in the front yard. It's about boot depth right now, right here. But I'm actually heading into work because you still gotta make that cheddar, right? You see behind me, about the whole neighborhood has been evacuated. There's a couple people still hanging on. Good news is that the utilities are still on, so we still have heat because it's still pretty cold out, and we have water, sewer. But I do remember back in 2008 when it was this bad that they ended up turning all those utilities off. As you see, all the way back down there, that's the actual river down there. I do know that there's somewhere along in the end of our driveway, it's actually washed away, and there's a big hole, and I just don't want to step in it here. So I want to make sure to not break my ankle in it. So I kind of walk to the side where I know that that hole wasn't. Trying to get onto the road. Oh, there's the road. Okay, and they say to actually be careful walking down the roads, because what is happening is that the sewers are actually burping and popping the manhole covers off, so people will be walking along and actually just fall right into these manholes. It's not good, but yeah. So that's everything right now. I have the long walk down there to my car so I can actually get to work. Alright guys, well, once again, thanks for everyone thinking of us and keeping us in your thoughts. They say the water is supposed to crest Tuesday, which is tomorrow. Today is Monday the 18th. So, and it's already past the levels of what it was in 2008 when we actually lost our house. So as you see, neighbors along here, they all took off. All right, guys. Well, like I said, once again, thank you guys. This is Daddy Brickhead. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. If anything drastic seems to happen. Thanks guys for joining us on this little journey. Oh man. Alright. I've come to an iceberg. I gotta try to walk through and break through this ice. Whoa. Yep. But as always guys, thank you, and see you guys later.